How to customize the time format for Python logging? I am new to Python's logging package and plan to use it for my project. I would like to customize the time format to my taste. Here is a short code I copied from a tutorial. And here is the output. I would like to shorten the time format to just the 10th of July 2010 10:46:28, dropping the millisecond suffix. I looked at the formatter .format time, but confused. I appreciate your help to achieve my goal. Thank you.
From the official documentation regarding the formatter class. The constructor takes two optional arguments, a message format string and a date format string. So change 2.
Using logging.basicconfig, the following example works for me. This allows you to format and config all in one line. A resulting log record looks as follows.
To add to the other answers, here are the variable list from Python documentation.
If using logging.config.fileconfig with a configuration file, use something like